Instagram hasn't yet added the option to upload stories from the desktop site, but there's a trick to get around that. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram stories from your computer. Now let's get started. To post an Instagram story from your computer, open your browser and go to Instagram.com. If you haven't already, sign into the account you want to post from. Now, right-click on the background of the website. In the pop-up menu, select Inspect. Now click the device icon at the top of the inspector menu. It looks like a laptop and a smartphone next to each other. Click Dimensions. Then select the device type you'd like to view Instagram as. I'm choosing iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now refresh your browser window. Once you've done this, you should have the option to add to your story. Click Your Story. Now upload an image you want to post on your Instagram story. Note that this workaround only seems to work for photos and not for videos. The editing options are quite limited, and you cannot customize your text as much as you could on the mobile app. But you can add text or stickers and draw on your image if you like. Unfortunately, there are currently no options to add music or links when using this workaround. When you're done creating your story post, click Add to your story at the bottom. The post you've created will then be published to your Instagram story. If you'd like to exit the inspector view when you've finished and go back to the regular Instagram desktop site, click Dimensions and select Responsive. Click the device icon again to turn off this view. It will turn gray when disabled. Then click the X in the top right corner of the inspector menu to close it. You can then refresh your browser window and you'll be back to the regular view. Head to your profile and watch the story you posted by clicking your profile icon. That's all it takes to post Instagram stories on the desktop site. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.